Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down to access connection and sharing. Then tap on printing, default print service, and over here just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. In order to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on the switcher next to use print service and clicking on the back button. From here, click on Add Service and then install the best one from the list of the available ones. In my case, HP one. When your new service is ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!